Hey there, in this video I'm going to try to use the CSS variables inside Pro or inside the CSS interface of Pro. So let's check the usage of CSS variables here. So we have here the root rule, and we can paste this inside the global CSS in theme options. So here, theme options, CSS, and let's try to pick a color already defined in our colors manager. So here maybe we'll use the dark blue. So let's check. So let's grab this RGB color, and we'll use that in our color here. So main background, we'll just change the variable to main text, and I'll apply this to the body. Let's test. This is a test, by the way. The body option has the body text color has a color option here in the theme options typography. So let's go back to our CSS. Let's add this on top, by the way. And we'll use the variable here. So as you can see now, the color of the text here was changed. So let's save this, and we'll see if this will work inside the content CSS. So you can see here, you can edit the page by just clicking on the content. Let's copy this variable so we can use this in our page. So here we'll change the classic button. Let's close this. Looks like there's a bug, so let's close that for a moment, and we'll target the button. Then use that variable. So as you can see, it changed. So let's save this, and let's go back to theme options and change the color. So let's head over to theme options again. Looks like the panel won't close. So let's open the CSS, global CSS, and we'll change the main color here. So maybe let's turn this to yellow. So as you can see, this changed the text color inside the content also, although even though we don't have access in the content builder here. So this is inside the theme options, and this button is the CSS for the button is in the content CSS. So hope that helps.